Hayes.
Thanks.
I'm Stephen James Hayes.
Yes, it is.
Thank you. You've got 3 charges: disorderly conduct, trespass. Those are both 16 November. Breach bail on 23 April. You pleaded not guilty. Matters listed for a trial allocation. I'm just trying to see if there's been.
There's been no disclosure.
Okay. These are what we call simple offences, so there's no requirement for disclosure. Let me just grab a seat if you like. I'll come back to you in a second.
I'm right.
Just where you are. I can stand up.
Thank you.
Okay. No worries. No. So none of these are listed simple offences. Were you wanting an order for disclosure?
Actually, I was wanting to lodge some documents with the court today.
Okay,
I actually don't. They're an affidavit and some evidence. I actually don't believe this court has authority over me. I've asked this court and other courts in Western Australia a number of times now to provide evidence of jurisdiction, and you're unable to provide that.
No, that's not right. You're going to have to let me finish.
Okay.
It's not that I'm unable to. I just won't. I do have authority over these matters.
You just won't?
No, I won't.
Okay. Is that a belligerent? Are you just being
Sorry?
belligerent, or are you being belligerent?
No, I'm just simply saying I don't waste my time proving who I am and what I do.
Okay, you think that's a waste of time, is it?
I do.
Okay, well, I don't believe that you have any authority over me.
Some people believe in God,
Have the police provided any evidence of jurisdiction to the court
They don't
today?
need to. What are you wanting to do with these charges?
They don't need to.
Are you maintaining your pleas?
I'm rescinding that plea.
Okay, what would you
Yeah.
like to do?
I'm not pleading.
Okay.
What I'd like to do is I'd like to present to lodge these documents. I've sent them to the court. So this is for the prosecution.
I don't think they're going to want it. I don't want it either.
You don't want my... Okay.
So I'll list the matter for a trial. All 3 of them for trial. Do you have any difficulty with all 3 matters being listed on the same day?
Not without jurisdiction, you
I
won't.
understand that, but putting that aside,
If you don't have jurisdiction,
I do have jurisdiction.
then you cannot do anything. You
I
can't
do
list
have
it for a
jurisdiction.
trial, you can't lift
I
it
do.
for another
I can.
trial allocation date, you can't do any of that.
Take a seat, please. Sergeant, how long do you think the trials might take?
Once we cut through this process,
that'll happen.
it would ordinarily be a half day, but
Call it a day.
Okay, so
8th of February,
for the public record,
8th of February.
8th of February. Is that a good date for you, Mr.
for the
Hayes?
public record, I'd like your name.
You can look it up. You can ask at the
I
front
can
desk.
look it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ask at the front desk. It's on the list. It's written all over the place.
You're not able to speak it?
I just don't have to tell you, so I'm not going to. 8th February 2020
Okay.
for trial. Is that suitable to you?
For the public record, I'd like
Is
the
that suitable to you?
prosecutor's name and who he's working
He's
for.
not going to tell you either, but it's written on his shirt, so if you can read, you'll be able to see it.
Okay, it's Michael
it's not
Gregg.
Michael.
Oh, it's Mikhail?
It's not Michael.
Oh, it's like a Irish suborn. Do you want to say what it is? Do you want to
It's
spell
8th
it out to me?
February. It's 8th February. Before I eventually say take a seat at the back of the court to the end of the list, I'm trying to get through a list. It's 8th
I realise that, and if you'd
It's 8th
accepted my
February.
my
It's 8th February.
affidavit,
It's a good date for you for trial.
look, you can't. If you've got no jurisdiction, then you can't set a trial date.
Mr. Hayes
It's just
is on
impossible.
bail. Is
The only
the
thing
prosecution wanting bail?
I would like to remedy the situation with the
The only thing
prosecution.
I would suggest, Your Honour, is that we can take the bail off the disorderly and the trespass on notice. There's an issue, obviously, the breach of bail charge to be finalised, but we'll deal with that. So
Why don't we do that?
yeah.
So I'm going to dispense with bail with respect to the disorderly conduct and the trespass matter.
Okay. Who do I lodge this affidavit with if you won't accept it?
I don't think you'll find anyone who will have a registry.
Okay. So you won't tell me who you are. You won't tell me that you've got jurisdiction. It's just this imagined thing that you think you've got. The prosecution doesn't need to tell me who he is either. I mean, what do you think is going on here? These These are political matters that I'm being prosecuted for. Okay?
Is 8 February a good date for trial for you?
No, it's not.
Why not?
Because there won't be a trial because you don't have any jurisdiction.
Okay, 8 February 23 for trial.
And until you
In
prove,
relation to the breach of bail.
until you
bail
provide
is
some
renewed-
evidence of jurisdiction, you
bail
won't
is
have any
renewed.
authority to do anything.
Bail is renewed with respect to that matter. Otherwise, adjourn to 8 February for trial in relation to the 2 summary matters. There will be a notice to issue with respect to those. If you don't attend court on that day, you'll be convicted of the disorderly and the trespass in your absence. A warrant will issue for your arrest in relation to the breach of bail.
I'm an upstanding citizen and I will attend court when I'm informed to attend court.
Just take this.